So hello guys, welcome back to Get Tech Interior Design. So thank you for the support that you are giving toward this channel. We are road to 5k subscribers. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly make sure you have subscribed. And then over here we have a site visit. We are going to do here a modern 4-bedroom house that you see over here. So we are doing a site visit, and then after there we'll get updated the next step. As you can see, this is the plot. Like you can see, even though we were not the one who did fencing, so we advised the client to do another to refence this the entire house, so as to have that at least a quality safety long lasting fencing. Like you can see over there, you can just show them this fence is completely done. You can see they did a shoddy work. Like you can see over here, these blocks are already in waste. Like you can see, guys, these are a lot of wastage to when compared. That's why we always advocate to have a qualified engineer, so as to avoid these such losses of expense that you see over here. And then at here we have our engineer. You always see on the video. Can you kindly greet them?
Hi guys, welcome to Interior Design team. Today we are in this plot of 100 by 80. As you can see, it was done fencing, but due to shoddy poor work that has been done by the quacker engineers. So we have come to recommend before we plot our building in this plot, we have come to recommend that. We rebuild again the fence so that we provide good safety to the prevailing work that is done here. So far you can see how the plot has been doing work sometimes back, and you can see everything is at mess because there was no any construction rules and regulation that were followed. There was no supervision that was done, and you can actually see that everything has fallen. Even these walls that are remaining, some parts that are remaining, they are very weak. So we are also recommending that we are going to remove them so that we begin afresh, so that this guy will have this plot well managed. So far this is what we have done. We are going to take measurements, and also we are also done doing a site visit for the project that we are going to update you in a few in 1 month or even 2 weeks to come. So this is what we have come to do, and remember we are in Garissa, and we are doing our perfect work as you always expect. Thank you guys.
So I think you'll see the following. Let's say we'll have take a measurement, and then we'll plot over here, and then at later during our, let's say today, maybe in the night or maybe tomorrow, we're going to have to draw a sketch or a house plan, so that it will make sure it sits properly to this compound. So guys, stay tuned, and then as you see how we'll be doing our measurements over here. Apollo.
I'm a chief officer, area leader.
Hmm? What? Isaac akuwe katikati. Isaac kuwa katikati ya hiyo kitu. Unajua tumesema hatukuwa na that actual measurements. So acha tukue nayo ndo tujue. Shikisha, stay, fanya straight. Umefika 95. As hizo So aizo hata pia aizo. Oh, sawa. The chief engineer executive. Kuna mahali niliona jamaa wakifanya site akasema huyo ndo chief cafeteria, huyo ndo mkubwa wa cafeteria kwa site. Kuna mkubwa wa kushughulikia tu chakula iko site. So aizo wewe ndo itabidi kuwa chief executive wa stomach. Gani hiyo? Tunaweza observe gani yenye inaweza hivyo tu. Kevo, hebu rudi huko hapo kwa gate, katikati ya gate hapo hivyo. So 100 lakini pia iko advisable, lakini haisuru beacon yako iko plaster gani? Sasa umejua umeokolea jirani hata piga ama unataka hakuna mtu mwenye atakuwa ushamjengea ukuta plot yako, ushamjengea ukuta yake ya huko, wewe unapiga ndani kwako. Mbona amejenga ule ati akipiga plaza kwa hiyo ukuta huyo anaona. But sasa umejua ina depend na communication ya my neighbors. Kama uko na neighbors mwenye ako roho chafu ambao unasema jamaa amejenga nyumba tangu anze mpaka mwenye aliingia. Sasa hiyo ndio inafanya at least sasa umejua hiyo na wengine, na wakati ilikuwa wanachukua hiyo panga ndio wanakujia na kuambia unafanya nini. Kwanza hii bola venye na kuanga na hiyo si huku pia sio na kuanga na hiyo nini ya hiyo wanaanza hiyo rival sauti ya panga bwana, ulikuwa unasikia tu bunduki huku papa hapo side hii side ya huku hivyo. So guys, our plot is an estimate of 100 by 100. So guys, we are going to design the house. It is a 4-bedroom. The owner suggests to build a 4-bedroom, of which he is suggesting to have, let's say, all both ensuite or to have a master bedroom, to have 2 toilets, of which it will be a public toilet and the other one for master bedroom, or both of them be ensuite together with a kitchen, a dining and a sitting room together in this plot that you can see over here. So guys, thank you. We'll keep updating you the progress that we'll be doing over this particular plot. So guys, if you're not yet subscribed, kindly make sure you have subscribed. If you have any inquiry, our number are there. You can reach us through 0746289667. We are 24/7 available. If you want any construction services, just call us and then we'll be available at your doorstep. This is our chief engineer. Yes. Say hi to them. Hi. So guys, let's meet on the next video. God willing, inshallah.